Hey everyone. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm just going to show you how to set your Thrive theme, and in particular this one I'm using is the Rise theme from Thrive Themes. I'm going to show you how to set the top menu bar to bold and increase the font size with some simple CSS code that I found on the internet. So why do you want to do this? So I guess when you get your theme and you install it, the top of the menu doesn't come bold. It just comes standard, so you can't actually, there's nowhere in the back end of the Thrive theme to simply increase the font size, bold the font in your top menu item. And it kind of looks a little bit off when you start mucking around with your homepage and want to change the structure of your homepage. You'll see with my example here that some menu items on the right side, they're in a larger, bolder font. Then you look at the menu items and they're in a smaller, non-bold font, and it kind of looks a little bit off. So so that's what I'm going to show you. So the first thing to do is to jump in the back end of your WordPress site. So it's just your domain name, then / wp-admin, and that'll get you there. And then we go log in. And apologies for some of the blurred out parts of your screen. This website is a little nichey sort of website that I'm just starting up now and editing. And if I unblurred some of the stuff on your screen, you would easily pick the niche that I'm in, and you would probably have a real good crack at stealing my traffic. So, okay, so let's have a look here. So all you do is go down the left-hand side of your WordPress backend. Just go to your Thrive dashboard plugin. You click on Thrive Themes, and you click on Style and Layout Settings. And you just scroll down a little, and you'll see a box here with custom CSS. So all custom CSS says, enter any custom CSS you want to add in the field below. CSS added here will override the standard CSS rules of the theme, which is fine. So then all we do is we go and grab the code that I found on the internet, and it's just in a Word doc that I've kept, and it's just this code here. Copy it, throw it into the theme, save changes. Now I'm one of those people that like to have a tab open for the front end of my website as well. So to check my work, so just go to the front tab, and you see here, see how the menu doesn't really look. It looks a little bit small, a little bit poxy versus some of these larger menu item headings down here. So we just refresh the screen. Okay, and you can see how it's bolded. It doesn't look too bad. Certainly looks a little bit more in sync with some of these menu items. But I'm just going to go back, and I'm just going to see if we can increase the font size here, and you can do it here. Currently this is 16. I'm going to increase it to 20. Save that. Refresh the screen. Okay, so it does look a little bit large now. So I'm probably going to go with somewhere between 18 and 20 because I will end up with this site having one or two more menu items at the top here, which will push over to where my logo is. So it's around about here. So okay. Just by the way, there are just with your font weight, you don't have to do bold. I think they're called, one's called normal, one's called lighter, one's called bold, and the fourth one is bolder, I think. So just try those out. Try those four out with your font weight, and with your little CSS code there, and see how you go. If you've got any questions or anything, throw them down in the comments, and feel free to follow me on YouTube, like my channel. So yeah, okay. Have a great day.